Hello, everyone. Happy new month. I welcome everybody to the month of November, our month of positive change and turnaround. Yeah, today I'll be teaching us how to make the one-sided twisted turban cap. Our material needed are our squirrel material as usual, our scissors, our tailor's chalk, office pin, tape rule, a needle and a matching thread that we'll be using to sew our turban cap. I believe we all know how to make our round shaped turban cap. So I will not be showing us the procedure to make the round shaped turban cap. If you don't know how to make the round shaped turban cap, you can go to my previous video on how to make a round shaped turban cap. Yeah, the measurement for this turban cap is my band I used 23 inches by 4 inches wide. That is 4 inches length by 23 inches wide. My head circumference plus 1 inch sewing allowance, and the base of my turban cap is 14 inches length by 23 inches wide. So I joined my band to my turban base. Then I will set that aside. 40 inches length by 10 inches wide. That is 40 inches length by 5 inches wide in fold. And that is what I'll be using to make my twist that I'll be attaching to my turban cap later. So my 40 inches length by 10 inches wide, I fold it into two. Then I stitch from this edge down to this other hinge, that is right side facing each other, and stitch. So that means my wrong side is up and the right side is down. So what I will do now after stitching is to turn my cap right inside out. Yeah, so I finished turning my material to the right side, and this is what I have. After joining your band to your base, just make our regular curve, as in our regular turban cap, the one we used to do at the back of our turban, the curve. If you don't know how to make the curve of your turban cap, just go back to my previous video on how to make a round shaped turban cap. So after that, you will close the tip of the band like this. You close it while others will be open like this. Others will open like this. After sewing the band and making your curve, you will close the band and leave others. Then after closing your band, you measure 1 inches length, 1 inches length from the end of your band. Is 1 inches length from the end of your band, and you mark. Then you also measure 1 inches length from the tip of your turban base like this, and also mark 1 inches. So after marking, you are going to make a running stitches. You are going to gather your cap from this point down to this end. That is, you make your running stitches from this 1 inches wide, this 1 inches length you mark, and stop at this point. So meaning that this place, 1 inches at the top will be open and 1 inches at the down will be open. So I'll make the running stitches and get back to us. As you can see, I start my gathers from this end, my running stitches from this end down like this, and I stop here. So I'm going to pull my gathers now. So I've finished making my gathers, and this is what I have. This place is opening. I have an opening at the tip here, and I also have a 1 inch opening here also. So what I will do now is I will turn my cap to the right side. So I finished turning my cap to the right side. Then what you do next is to locate the middle of your turban cap. So this is the middle of my turban cap. So after locating the middle like this, then you pick one tip of your 40 inches length by 10 inches wide. Then you put it in like this. Just watch me and bring it out. Bring it out from the 1 inch opening you did the other time. Yes, just watch me. Then you do it half like this. So after that, what I'll be doing now is I'll be twisting this part down. Before you do that, you twist each of them like this. Twist it like this before twisting the two together. You can get somebody to hold it for you. You twist one part, twist the second one like this, then twist them together, just as if you want to twist your hair, you are making braid. You can get someone to hold it for you. Twist it like this. So just now you twist each before twisting it together like this. So I will do that and get back to us. So I've finished twisting the two together now. You can decide to put your twist to the right side or to the left hand side. You can also tack it down with your needle and thread. What I'll be doing now after twisting is you remember the 1 inch opening we opened the other time? You tuck the hand of your twist in like this. Tuck it in. Tuck the second one in too. So this is it. So what I'll be doing now, because the twist is bulky and I can't take it to the sewing machine, so I'll be tacking it down. I'll be closing it with my needle and thread. I'll be closing it with my needle and thread. Make sure you thread your needle in 4 places so that it will be very thick and to be secure. So suck it down like this. You tack it very firm. Ensure that you tack it very well so that it won't lose at the end of the day. I finish joining the band, the twist to it. This is how it looks like.
Thank you for watching. God bless you all. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumb up. Like, comment and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also connect with me on Facebook and Instagram at Sujoke Beads and Crafts.